Okay folks, here we go with another Tide motovlog. Still kind of ghetto, still using the iPhone. Sorry about that. I'm working on getting everything in from Amazon and from local suppliers. I plan on doing the chin mount style, such as another motovlogger, Motonosity, came up with, that I really think is pretty ingenious. It'll start the mount over here, but you see I got this huge vent to work with and everything. I'm trying to get my camera, the lens in the middle, right in the middle. So I'm gonna have to start from clear over here, like Motonosity did, and move over here. I just went and got some epoxy and a bunch of socket head cap screws, like he attributed to Space Pod, another motovlogger, good motovlogger. Go check them both out. You know, it's a nice day. I thought, you know, I did this last video. I never started the bike for him. How am I going to do a review video and I never start the bike for him? So thought I'd give it a quick start. Let you hear a whistle. Let's see. See, I got 140 miles on this thing so far. About, let me see how many hours. .5 hours. 4.5 hours. So I'm coming close to a service. But you know, it's all good. And like with all things, you know, this bike will be getting some modifications onto it. Exhaust will definitely be one of the first. Besides this mirror here, I have to get rid of these big wind catchers here, these wind socks that they just don't do it for me, man, on the dirt bike. It just don't, you know. Dirt bikes aren't supposed to have big, ugly things like that sticking off the tops of the handlebars. So I went, ordered me this little mirror here. It's gonna mount up left side underneath. So something like this, you know, something in this region or area. Something just, you know, it's gonna be about right up in here. Something really just to keep me legal, keep the popo off me. You know, so I can get these big things off. But let's go ahead and start the bike up. See how she sounds. In there she purrs pretty quiet. On idle, stock exhaust, no mods, just completely stock bike, brand new. Like I said, only 140 something miles. You know, runs real smooth. Transmission shifts so smooth. I mean, just buttery smooth. So, you know, it's quiet, contained, idle. You grab hold of this one right here. Do you grab much? Yeah, there she is running. There she was running, but we're gonna get an exhaust on her. I don't know what kind yet. I'm gonna get some other stuff done. Gotta get a plate on it soon. 30 days ain't up, but gotta get a plate on her soon. My biggest thing, man, is getting this GoPro mounted up and trying to get it all figured out. From some years away, I lost technology. You know, technology passed me by. And so it's gonna be a struggle, but I'm gonna get it done. I got love for the YouTube community, especially for the motovloggers. That's really all I watch on YouTube. I'm subscribed to, geez, probably 100 something motovloggers all of them from the very top to the ones that only have 2-3 subscribers. You know, but I'm not into sport bikes, but I'm even subscribed to a bunch of guys who ride sport bikes only. Sport bikes only. I'm more into the enduro, supermoto, you know, dirt bikes. But we'll see how it all goes, and hopefully the UPS guy will bring my stuff today, get this stuff mounted up, and get this thing rolling. You hear me? All right, let's take it easy. Hey, peace out.